One of the most exciting features in the app is the calendar. It is a mirror of the calendar found in Parent Lounge, but in a more user-friendly format. By tapping on the date, you will see a list of all events happening on that date. The little number in the right-hand corner indicates the number of events planned for that day, from prep through to Year 12. When you select an individual calendar entry, it will provide you with more information on the event. There's also a handy feature that allows you to save a calendar entry directly to your device's calendar. Simply tap the 3 vertical dots and tap Add to Calendar. The other option allows you to share the calendar entry in a variety of ways with friends and family, perfect for events like Grandparents' Day. Please note at this stage you can't filter the calendar events based on your subscriptions. Our developer is hoping to implement this change soon.